Alright guys, in case you haven't been paying attention, I recently got some new chickens in the flock. These two assholes are the donut twins. We got D's. That's D's. That's Nuts. We think Nuts might be a dude. So he's going to be going to freezer camp. And then we got Glitter. I always call her Sprinkles because sometimes it's kind of stupid. Then we got Pineapple. Then we got that one over there is Bougie Friend. And then the only one that I named, this one's name is Shitfucker. Go on, little shitfucker. Oh yeah, we got a duck named Peaches. And then we got another duck right there. That's Billy. So, yep, that's all for the update. Fuck you guys.